So in this video, we're going to talk about the data source and the file format, which is the last part of this first module. And hopefully we're building good foundation and excitement to allow you to explore in the future modules. So 90% of the data in the world today was created in the last 2 years. Wow. It's a surprising to know. For me too, I did not know that until I started teaching this class. I think the main reason is because we have computer power to store in those data, right? So data source for this book mostly coming from Google, Bureau of the Economics Analytics, Analysis, Bureau of Labor Statistics, Federal Research Economic Data, U.S. Census Bureau, National Climatic Data Center, Yahoo Finance, and Zillow. And of course, you can find more data like I introduced for your project, like the where you can find movie revenues, and you also go to Rotten Potato. The data you're gonna be visiting the Rotten Tomato. So the website Rotten Tomato website is the data you collected. Consider when they on the website, they're unstructured, right? Once you put all of them to your Excel spreadsheet for your project, it becomes structured. Okay, so those are the data source you can visit to collect your data. So those data sources are free, like Yahoo Finance, Zillow, National Climatic Data Center, U.S. Census Bureau. If you have any other classes looking for data, where to find data. So don't forget those websites to look for the data. Might be helpful for your other classes. So in this video, I want to specifically focus on the file formats. And then, like I said, this class building foundation for your future data careers. You can go to data analytics path, data science path, but it's very important you are able to identify different files that give you the data, right? Okay, the data. So there are standard file format. So usually we have two different types, okay? One is called fixed width format. The other one is the limited format. And I show you on this video, there's like two examples. The one on the left, although it's in the text format, right, TXT, as you notice that there's a very clear columns. It almost looks like our Excel spreadsheet, right? This is considered called a fixed width format because each column start and end in the same place in every row. That's why you are able to see every row, they are starting at the same place. Some students are going to say, wait, Dr. J, the second column here is ending here, the Toyota is longer. Remember, actually the actual column is ending at here. Therefore, it gives opportunity to next column starting at the same spot, right? So I think the most important thing when you see the fixed width format is make sure every column is start at the same place. That's most importantly. Although here said ends at the same place, it's really dependent. You don't see it here, right? So this is the text format. So sometimes students get confused thinking the text format has to be not fixed width, but actually it's not. So this one actually is fixed width format. Of course, the Excel spreadsheet, I give you Excel spreadsheet, right? So that's fixed format, okay? Okay, so the other format is called delimited format. So basically there is a delimiter separate files, typically is comma. Okay, so the second file here is also in the TXT format, but as you notice that instead of every column in the same column, right, the BMW, so the day of the purchase was here, but then the make is here. If it's the fixed width format, so this BMW should right under this make, right? So they should be in the same column. But since this is called the delimited format, so the computer will recognize each column by looking for those comma, right? You see, so therefore, although the BMW is here, which totally mismatch the make column, but the comma is here. So when any reader reading this file, they are looking for the comma. So once they say comma, that's a new column. So they will know, okay, make and the BMW, they are in the same column. Okay, the CSV file, although the Excel will open the CSV file, make you thinking that's going to be the delimited format. That's actually not. So the CSV file is considered as a delimited format because, like I said, although the Excel will read the CSV file, but the actual format of the file is look like this. There is a comma right next to each data point that is supposed to be the column. Okay. You will have homework assignment or multiple choice question ask you, oh, whether this is the fixed width format or whether this is the delimited format. So first, very importantly, is for the fixed format, you are starting from the same columns, starting at the same place. That's first. The second is delimited format. It will use the separation field like a comma or tab a tab to separate in the column. So you might not see everything in the same column. And also you need to remember the CSV file is belong to a delimited format, because this is one a little bit confusing sometimes, because students thought, oh, this is from Excel file, must be fixed width format. No, so the Excel is able to read the delimited format into a fixed width format. Okay, so good luck with your homework, and good luck with everything, and look forward into the next module where we're going to learn more about numeric description and data visualization. Bye.